And now that we've established the user in the user setting, and we've made the user active in the technician management setting, the user is now available for order assignment. To assign an order to the individual user, go to the far left of the screen and select the routing icon. Once you selected the routing icon, select Market, and then select the current date of service. Then select Go. Once the orders become visible in the ETTEO portal, always make sure this lockbox is clear. If the lockbox is clear, that represents the board is unlocked and orders can be assigned to the user. To assign the order to the user, place your mouse over the order, use the left clicker, and drag the order down to the individual user you're attempting to assign the order to. Once the order is assigned, scroll back to the top of the routing board and click on the lock to lock the board. Once the lock is black, your order is now assigned to the user, and the user will be able to see the order in their ETTEO mobile app.